Welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. Today's DIY is a beautiful Bohemian inspired textured wall art piece that costs only around $3 to make. If you like this DIY, I have plenty more to come, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out, and like this video so I know you want to see more like it. Here's what you'll need: 1 bag of decorative rock, 1 stylized mirror, and any picture frame of your choice. All my items for this DIY were purchased from the Dollar Tree. First, start by gluing down your mirror to the front of your picture frame directly to the glass, making sure to press down gently. Then grab your decorative rock. You have 2 options to glue the rocks down. You can either use hot glue, which does take a bit longer but is a little thicker, or a more flexible glue like E6000, which I think gives it a more even distribution. I would recommend the E6000 or a similar type of slower drying glue. You can definitely see the difference in the comparison. Then just continue to add your decorative rocks in the design of your choice, cleaning up as you go. Remember to apply glue in medium sections and pour and pat firmly to get an even consistency across the glass. I chose to do 2 layers of rocks for more dimension, and this is how it turned out. Make sure to subscribe if you like DIYs like this, and let me know if you like the look of method number 1, the hot glue, or method number 2, the E6000. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. For more, you can also check out my blog at themakeovermom.com or head on over to my Instagram. My IG handle is themakeovermom.